So, some details left, I said with optimism. Well, took some time, the better part of the afternoon, but look, if you look out the window, it's already such a difference. Let's see. Still wet. So. Yes, also enclosed. I had to bring that one a little bit down because there was like such a difference, 20 centimeters. Still has to dry. When it's dry, it becomes more white, like this. Ah, man. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. It'd be nice to have a balcony here one day. Yeah, it's my day off and I'm watching my own video. I thought it was a good execution, good planning, and it's just nice to see the result, step by step. I really like this, these kind of improvements, and I still have a lot of facades to do, but one day it will look beautiful, everything. The roof was really, the roof edge is the most difficult part. So, not bad, not bad. Well, it rained a lot. It's gonna rain all week. This is the only dry day, so I want to make the best use of it. Try to clean the side wall, maybe fix the edge, the corner of the roof. It was good that there was rain because kind of forced me to take a day off. I was really tired, my legs hurt. I've been working 14 days in a row, so yeah, taking it a bit slow. Ja, Madonna. Ja, kom maar dan. Whew. All right. So Wednesday today. Yesterday after cleaning the wall, it started to rain a little bit and I thought, you know what, it's better to wait for a dry day because all the week is gonna rain until Thursday. Friday will be dry again. So I thought, you know what, let's do something relaxed. Like set up your Wi-Fi network, get that Starlink up and running. I can promise you one thing, I haven't had so much stress for such a long time. Mamma mia. And it keeps telling me that it's 11 degrees and it's out of position, and bah, at the moment it works fine. And then today, so I have some friends coming today for 2 nights, 1 night or 2 nights, I'm not sure. I had to clean an apartment. Mah! Oh! Back to those days. Yeah, gotta find somebody to help me out on Saturdays, especially in the high season. During the high season, I'm full. Oh, and then even just cleaning everything a little bit, I mean, 3 hours for sure. And I also promised to cook, so I had to go to the supermarket and preparing some food. But it's okay. Except for yesterday, really. That was so stressful to put that starting disc on a pole. You cannot really access it very well, but it seems to be working well. Thanks, Ron. I got some advice how to set up a mesh network. So I have to buy 2 more repeaters, and then I'll probably have very, very good Wi-Fi everywhere. Important. Finally, won't take me 6 to 8 hours to upload a video anymore. It will be a blast. Finally. It's gonna take a little bit more time, this one. Large joints. Needs lots of products. Finish it tomorrow maybe. Another little problem with a simple solution. Maybe some plants, flowers in pots. Finally a dry day, but windy, cold. Spray some poison or pull the weeds by hand. Guess what? I'm pulling them by hand. But I guess I've done my prayers for Easter, because you gotta get on your knees and clean it up. I hope it won't rain too much. It's still gonna rain, so we don't lose the fruit. All cherry trees in blossom. Upcoming week I have to do a lot of small things, cleaning, do some woodwork here too, put a light. Put up these lights. Take away that ugly one. Took a lot of time to make the holes, man. Let's see if we can finish that wall. It's just that the weather doesn't look that good. Yeah. So that was a slow week. Kind of good though. I feel better. Guys, see you next week. Happy Easter. Gonna have a big dinner with some friends. So, guys, see you next week. Ciao. Let's go back to work.